always have to have a sweet potato and a regular potato. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but like they're just entirely different. And I feel like a lot of people pick one or the other. I'm going to start cutting up the potatoes, dice them, and then boil them, and I will show you how we prepare this. And then right after this, we're gonna do our scalloped potatoes, also known as gratin potatoes. And yeah, I'm gonna get the potatoes done first. Tommy is on cheese grating duty. That's always Tommy's job in the kitchen.
Don't act like I'm not cooking this whole meal.
Okay, so the sweet potatoes have been strained. I do a really simple recipe for this. I literally just add brown sugar, a dash of maple syrup, some salt, a little bit of butter, and then I mash it. And then I lay it down and add some cornflakes to the top, and then I bake it. A lot of people add nutmeg or cinnamon to their sweet potatoes. I don't really love that, although I'm a big cinnamon nutmeg girl. Making it very brown sugar maple flavored is the best way to go. I don't have measurements for this, which is not super helpful, but I kind of just eyeball it. Kind of do like a third of the bag, and then just a splash of maple syrup. Obviously, I like my sweet potatoes really sweet. This stuff is just more for flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now I'm just going to mash this up. You can use a handheld device to mash this up. I actually prefer it to be not perfectly pureed, so I think that's where the hand masher is great. I'm gonna reheat everything kind of at once before dinner. My family actually normally eats Thanksgiving around 3, but since this is like a Friendsgiving and I have a ton to do today, we're gonna be eating it at dinner time. So I'm just gonna get this ready. This is probably the easiest dish besides the gravy out of everything that I am making today, and this is probably my favorite dish, so that's nice. And this is not something that you can only make on Thanksgiving. If you were to make like a steak or a roasted chicken or something, it would be really, really good. You also don't have to do the cornflakes. The cornflakes are a little bit like festive. Okay, we're about to do this stuffing, and like I said, this is what my family and I have used my whole life. Herb seasoned classic stuffing, really easy and really good. So yeah, not making it from scratch today. This is my store-bought favorite. So all it is butter, onion, and celery diced, and then chicken broth. turkey looks absolutely perfect. The potatoes just got out of the oven. They look super good too. We have some other things in the oven now just warming up before we serve dinner, and now I'm gonna set the table. Okay, this is my mom's cranberry recipe. Mom, do you wanna tell us the story behind the cranberry? My mom's also helping with the gravy right now.
Well, basically I made it in kindergarten. Like that was the thing.
You made this in kindergarten?
Yeah, so basically, and Jaffe did too, my sister. And so basically it's
Oh, like the present to bring home in kindergarten
yeah, like
to your
you
parents?
make stuff in kindergarten and you
Yeah.
bring home for the holiday. Well, we made this in kindergarten, and so it kind of stuck as a family tradition.
That's so cute.
So we make it every year.
We're gonna leave the recipe right here. It's absolutely delicious. That being said, no shame to my mom's cranberry. We also love the jellied cranberry, so we do both. I always eat both.
I eat both too.
I think this stuff is so good.
Lovers of
We love a
cranberry.
packaged cranberry and packaged gravy, so we're just making the gravy
nothing
right
better
now.
than this gravy.
I
Really good. You can put some of the.
This is what my family's been using my whole life. I think it's so bomb.
You can add some of the drippings from the bottom of
The bottom of the pan
Yeah,
to
we'll
it.
do that, and then it makes it even better.
Okay guys, here it all is. Stuffing, potatoes, sweet potatoes, cranberry, turkey, gravy's being made. Just wanted to show you guys all the food. It looks so good.